Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm ISMALAILA binti HASSAN, representing Group 7, will present about container congestion. Container congestion means when happen an increasingly dangerous threat to maritime logistics. Why? Port congestion will happen when ships arrive at the port and cannot load and unload as the port capacity is already full. Container congestion nowadays often occurs because of being affected by today's COVID-19 outbreak. The COVID-19 outbreak has threatened the entire maritime industry in the world, causing several intractable problems. There are several factors of global container congestion happen. The global container congestion is a major challenge faced by many ports globally and can occur due to various factors, which is, for the first, port of terminal is booked to more than its capacity and it's not possible for any one port to be connected with other. It is very important to know that how much time it will take for the network traffic to reach at port. When the port has been booked more than the capacity that has been decided by port, it will occur the port congestion. Second, the factor of port congestion happen because of delay that caused by bad weather, which result in vessel lining up outside the port. The cause delay in loading of cargo and also slow down the flow of goods from one destination to another. So, when a vessel is going to such situation, it can easily get stuck with the delay. Last but not least, lack of facilities. Port congestion occurs when there are no adequate facilities available for the passenger or cargo that need to be transferred from one port to another. If there is no proper infrastructure, there is the entire process of transporting goods will be affected. It is very important for any port to have a proper infrastructure in place so as to avoid the port congestion. Next, my member Muhammad Adib will continue the presentation.
Hi, I will continue this discussion by describing the impact and solution to the problem of container congestion. As we know, there are many factors that have caused container congestion. The main factor that can cause container congestion is the port congestion factor. Therefore, I will describe the impact of this problem. Among the first impact caused by port congestion is port congestion restricts the number of trips a trucker can do in a day, as the turnaround time for the truck suffers greatly and impacts on the trucking company on worse, the drivers, some of whom could be independent operators contracted to a trucking company. The second impact is port congestion is far-reaching and affects all industry, resulting in slowdown in business, lack of inventory in stores, customer having to air freight certain essential goods to alleviate shortage, especially of the consumer goods. Seasonal goods may not arrive in time or may not be exported in time. This clearly shows that port congestion greatly affects container congestion in the port. The impacts explained a moment ago need to be resolved quickly to facilitate the movement of container in the ports. Therefore, to solve the container congestion problem, I will present some solution to this problem. The first solution is directing the immediate retrieval of inspected containers as well as agreement with shipping companies. Speed up the collection of container within 24 hours after the gate pass in issues and Malaysia Quarantine and Inspection Services (MAQIS). Approvals are obtained so that more reverse containers can reverse container with hold status waiting can inspect and avoid the terminal area as a storage place. The second solution is move to empty container. To resolve the container congestion, government must fast track the transfer of empty containers to other underutilized ports. That's